Hey everyone, it's Tyson with GlassTrax. I am going to show you today one of our more exciting developments that we've made in the last year or so, and that is our online order portal. What it does is it allows your customers to log in, create their own quotes, and submit orders to you. Now, the nice thing about this is that customers can get their quotes a lot faster. They can submit their own orders, so now you know that whatever they key in is what they want. There's no issue with error on miscommunication or maybe a fumbling finger on a keyboard from your order entry personnel. It helps eliminate those mistakes. So if any of you want to take a look at this, just come to glassfabricationsoftware.com/web/sample and you'll be brought to this screen, and you can click on the guided demo button down here and it'll walk you through just like I'm going to do right now. Now your customers, once you have this service set up, will go ahead and log in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in here. When they do that, they'll be prompted to complete their profile by putting in a respond to email as well as creating a new password, since you'll be giving them a standard password on their first login. And then they can come into quote/order. This is the screen where they're going to go ahead and create their own quotes or submit an order to you. So the first thing they're going to do is say, am I picking this up or are they going to deliver it to me? So I'm going to say, let's deliver. Now, at this point, they'll be prompted, okay, which address would you like this delivered to? So if your customer has more than one address saved in GlassTrax, as far as alternate shipping addresses go, then they would be able to select which alternate or main shipping address they would like to receive that material at. In this case, this customer only has one address, so I'm going to go ahead and say use this address. The next thing they're going to do is choose the number of layers. Am I doing a monolithic, dual IG, triple IG? I'm going to keep it at mono for now, and I'm going to move straight down to my categories. Now these are my inventory categories which you set up in GlassTrax. We are going to limit this so that your customers do not have access to the categories that you do not want them to have access to online. So for example, if you make a decision to say, hey, we only sell stock sheets or non-tempered items online or non-shaped items online, we can go ahead and say only submit those items or those categories. So that way your customers aren't trying to order things from you that you are not comfortable having them order online. So in this case, I'm going to click on my clear tempered. And when I select my category, it limits my products from a drop down here. So these are the only two clear tempered items that I offer apparently. And I'm going to click 3/8 clear tempered, and I'm going to say let's do 3 pieces of 45 by 44 and a 16th. Now I can come up here and I can add any processes. Right now it says linear inches, cut size, but these would be more friendly terms for your customers, such as edge work, fab work, things like that. So for example, if I click on linear inches, you might know that as, hey, those are my bevels and polishes based in GlassTrax. But in this case, it would say, for your customers, it would say things like edge work. They can come down here and say, all right, I'm going to do a flat polish. At that point, I'm prompted on which sides I'd like to include that flat polish on. When I'm done, I go ahead and say add to processes, and it gets added down here at the bottom. If I need to add any other processes, you just come back up and go back right back at it. I'm adding a 1-inch hole, and there we go. Your customer can also add in notes right here if they need to. Or they can attach a drawing or a sketch or an image or file or whatever it might be right here, and that will also be brought into GlassTrax as an attachment for this order. When the customer has entered this in, they can hit set add to order, and the order summary gets added over here. So if they want to see what their order summary is, they just click. They see their order summary and they already have a quote right there just from them entering the information. If they want a further detailed breakdown of this price, they can click the I right there and it says, hey, your item price was this, your tax was this, and your processing charge was this. Now we can hide this for you as well if you prefer your customers not see that information, but it is there for now for demo purposes. Once they have that information, they can go ahead and say make order. Now they can add more than one line as well, but for demo purposes, I'm just going to do one to move on. And they'll be brought to this screen. They can review their order before they confirm it and send it to you. So if I'm going to come down here to my transaction date and click that to order it, here is our order right here that we just did. I can go ahead and hit confirm order, and as soon as I hit confirm order, what it's going to do is it's going to email a designated person there at your company who is in charge of importing these orders. It's going to come with a file, and that file is going to be imported into GlassTrax automatically so that you do not have to rekey that information that the customer just submitted. Now, like I said, this will speed things up for you dramatically. It will decrease your mistakes or miscommunications between customers. It'll really speed things up for your customers as far as getting quotes as well, and it keeps your order entry personnel off the phone and able to put more orders in at a time. So this is a fantastic new product. It's very affordable, really useful, and we're excited to present it to you. Please reach out to sales@kssco.com or call us at 888-409-8330 for more questions. Or again, please visit glassfabricationsoftware.com/web/sample. Thank you.